Hi guys, in front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and let me show you how to change system language. First of all, open the settings. Now select System and go to Languages. Here mark System Languages, tap on plus icon and choose the one that you want to use your device in. Now just mark it. Okay, so actually it was the first one. Actually, it doesn't matter, because as you can see, right after you mark it, this brand new language is applied, just like this. Whenever you wish to go back to the first language, also just mark it. So, as you can see, the language change is pretty quick and easy operation on your device. Do it whenever you want. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.